Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, we're going to be using this Operation Right Home. It's number 116. And once again, I'm using my hand punch. It's a 3-inch punch, so we're going to be using it on this sketch as well. And then if you can, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and you can hit the little bell so that way you get notified whenever I upload new content. All right, so I have everything already cut out from the Breathe collection, and when you take the sentiments that they have in the back out, sometimes it has little like perforations from, how they make it so you can basically take it out. So I always use my sand block to kind of smooth it out and just make it more normal. And then we're going to go ahead and put these pages together. Like I've said in previous videos, if you've ever had Kaisercraft paper, it's a lot thinner than some of the papers out there. So when you cut with your cutting board, sometimes you get little fuzzies. So you want to just make sure you kind of sand those down as well. And I think on this one, I'm trying to find my, oh no, we do. Okay. I was thinking like, oh wait, I don't think I used any peel offs, but nope, I do. I'm telling you guys, if you can, I don't know when she's gonna do it again, but I know Love from Lizzie, she does have like free shipping on peel offs to the United States. She'll do it a couple of times in a year. Definitely check it out. I know you have to spend a certain amount, but it's really easy to get to, like, I think it's $30 or $35 in these peel offs because there's just so many options. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong, and they last a long time. But I mean, you're gonna want to. You really are. So I'm just grabbing. These aren't the biggest ones. This is like the medium, I guess it would be, because on the pinstripe there's 3 sizes. There's the tiny, what I call tiny, or the small, and then this medium one, and then they have the bigger size. So in this one, I'm glad I got the silver. They have the ones where it's just um, it's all the same size, and I got one of those in the silver because I mean, sometimes you just want the bigger stripe, little strip. So once I got those on, I put down my tape and I'm adding some glue. And instead of doing a top fold, we're going to turn it to the side. So I want to make sure I had it facing the right direction. And then I think here I wind up having to pull it up. And this is exactly what I'm trying to tell you guys about the, oh no, it fit. Okay. Because I thought I had to pull it up and redo it, but it might have been the first one I did off camera. But it does. It using the wet glue with the tape, it gives you a little bit of wiggle room time. And if you have problems with lining up and making things straight, you definitely want to use both. Or just use the wet glue. The wet glue definitely gives you more time because it takes a little bit of time for it to dry. And then same thing for the circles, some of the adhesive and then the wet glue. And we're going to try and center that. And then on this one, there really isn't a spot for necessarily a sentiment. So I grabbed some Distress Oxide in the Chip Sapphire. I think that blue kind of matches the blue in this paper collection. And I went around the edges because I wanted it to stand out, from the punch circle. And I'm just going to turn it over and put some foam squares. So instead of like, you can do these sketches so many different ways, but in that big white space, like if you wanted to, you could do just like a large sentiment. You could do flowers and color them in. There's so many options, but I really like sometimes just showcasing the pattern paper and this sort of tone on tone. It's got an embossed feel paper. I thought it was really subtle and nice to have as the top image on this particular card sketch. And then for an ending, I'm going to add 3 dots of the, I think it's ivory or white. I can't find it. It's not next to me anymore. Oh, no, I got it. I need to get some more of this. I should have got a big bottle. Yeah, Simply White Nuvo drops, which are amazing. And again, tap, 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 and they get to the perfect enamel size, really and truly. But make sure you put it in a safe spot because they do need to dry 24 hours if you want it to make sure that it's completely dry. Then wait like 48. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you made it to the end, thank you. And please hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. You can leave comments down below. I love reading them, and I try to make sure I respond to everybody. And of course, at the end, we're going to have links to previous sketch videos. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you with the next video.